Now, let's discuss our other premium coupe, the LC. As we developed our flagship LC coupe, the engineers incorporated that same F-performance philosophy. Its performance, along with its striking design and craftsmanship, have made the LC one of the most sought-after vehicles we have ever produced. And that hasn't stopped us from further developing the LC. Continuous improvement philosophy is a core philosophy at Lexus. And from the moment we finished the coupe, we were already thinking about what could come next. Today, we would like to show you one possible direction for the LC. Take a look.
LC Convertible Concept. Imagine the LC in its most breathtaking form. Experience amazing.
I am pleased to introduce the Lexus LC Convertible Concept. Like the LC Coupe before it, this concept symbolizes the future direction of our brand. It's not just an aspirational vehicle, it's an aspirational lifestyle. It is a lifestyle that is not defined by the things you acquire, but by the experiences you remember. Few drives will be more memorable than one behind the wheel of this concept. Performance is amplified with 22-inch forged alloy wheels, and the unmistakable sound of the engine leaves no doubt this LC was designed to fully engage all of your senses. There is one word to describe this concept, and it's wow. Achieving this heightened level of sensory input did not come at the expense of comfort or performance, and certainly not at the expense of design. The memorable lines of the LC Coupe have not been sacrificed to create this open-top concept. The LC Convertible Concept was also designed to deliver a relaxing cabin environment for the driver and the passenger, allowing effortless conversations and a precisely controlled climate. Everything that makes the interior of the LC Coupe so unique is also carried over into this concept. From the world-class craftsmanship to the look and feel of the materials, this is a convertible that caters to its guests like a personal concierge. Whether you're taking a weekend trip down the coast, escaping to your favorite twisty road, or just getting a cup of coffee on a Sunday morning, every trip in this convertible would be a memorable one.